In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up recurring invoices in Xero. If you regularly bill the same customer for the same products or services, recurring invoices can save you a lot of time and help you stay organized. Instead of creating the same invoice again and again manually, Xero can generate it for you automatically based on the schedule you choose. To get started, sign in to your Xero account. Once you're in the dashboard, head to the Sales menu and select Invoices. This is where you can manage your existing invoices and create new ones. Next, click New Repeating Invoice. This opens the recurring invoice template, where you'll define how often Xero should create this invoice for you. In the Repeat, this transaction every section, enter the schedule that fits your billing cycle. For example, this could be weekly, monthly, or another interval that matches your agreement with the customer. After that, choose the invoice date, which tells Xero when each recurring invoice should be created. Then, set the due date rule for each invoice. This determines when payment will be due after the invoice is issued, so make sure it reflects your normal payment terms. If you want the recurring invoice to stop automatically at some point, you can set an end date. This part is optional, so if the invoice should continue indefinitely, you can leave it blank. Now choose the invoice action. You can save invoices as drafts, approve them automatically, or approve them for sending. The best option depends on how much review you want before invoices go out. In the Invoice to field, enter the customer or contact who should receive the invoice. If needed, add reference information to help identify the purpose of the invoice, such as a project name or internal note. After that, select a branding theme from the branding dropdown. This is useful if you use different invoice styles for different parts of your business. Now fill in the invoice items. Enter the products or services along with the quantities, prices, accounts, and tax rates. Take a moment here to make sure everything is accurate, because these details will be reused each time the invoice is generated. Before saving, review the subtotal, tax, and total amount carefully. This is your chance to confirm that the numbers look correct and the invoice is set up exactly as intended. When everything looks good, click Save to activate the recurring invoice template. Finally, go back to Sales, then Invoices, and open the Repeating tab to verify that your recurring invoice is listed there. That confirms the setup is complete and ready to run automatically. Thanks for watching.